beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and traditional Mexican ponche that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, these are the ingredients I am going to add to the pot of water. Of course, tamarindo, piloncillo, sugar cone, 2 cinnamon sticks, and the flour of the Jamaica. Let's start with these 5 ingredients. I have water here. I'm going to add my 2 piloncillos, sugar cane, 2 sticks of cinnamon. Look at this. Remember, when you make your ponche, cook it in medium heat. Never cook it in high heat. I am going to leave it here until it starts boiling and until the piloncillos have dissolved completely. While this is cooking in medium heat, I am going to rinse all the fruit. I have the green apple, the orange, the pear, the mini apples, and the guava. Look at this. You want to make sure that you rinse really good through running water all your fruit. Of course, you decide how much of each you want to add to your ponche. Look at this. Let me show you how I'm going to start cutting and slicing the sugar cane. I love slicing it so that it really releases all those amazing flavors of the sugar cane. Look at this. This ponche comes out delicious, and it is perfect for the holidays and perfect for this cold weather. Once you have already sliced, put it aside, add your mini apples, or as we call it, tejocotes, add them and put them aside. Let me show you, it's already boiling. The sugar cane are still whole, so I'm going to leave them there until they dissolve completely. Remember, we are cooking our ponche in medium heat. The color looks just amazing. I am sure this is going to taste delicious. Well, we're going to go ahead and leave it here, and I am going to continue by cubing all my fruit. I'm going to make sure that I remove all the seeds and making sure that I cube everything almost the same size so that everything cooks at the same time and everything releases all those amazing flavors. The pear tastes amazing in this ponche. Of course, I'm using the green apple. I'm going to remove the seeds, being very careful that I don't leave any seed behind. Look at this. Like I said, just make sure that all the pieces are almost the same size so that they cook at the same time and they release all the amazing flavors. And of course, the guavas, I am going to leave the seeds behind. We are going to use it with the seeds. Look at this. I'm just going to go ahead and slice them so that they really release the amazing flavor and aroma of the guayaba. Once you have everything sliced, I'm going to transfer it to a big plate. I'm going to continue with the orange. This is an organic orange from my garden, and it doesn't have any seeds. But if your orange has seeds, just remove them. I have everything ready to go on the pot. And let's go see how the pot is doing. Let's see if the piloncillo has dissolved completely. Okay, the piloncillo has dissolved. I'm not going to strain all these ingredients. I am going to leave them behind. They're really going to leave all those amazing flavors. As you could tell, it is boiling, but once I start adding the mini apples and the sugar cane is going to stop boiling, I am going to just add those two ingredients and then just let it simmer until it comes back into boiling. When it starts boiling one more time, then I am ready to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm adding the oranges at this time, the sliced oranges. Look at this. The sugar cane really changes color and it's already releasing the amazing flavors. Okay, let me leave it here for a couple more minutes. When it starts boiling one more time, it's going to take about 3 to 4 minutes. Now is the time to start adding the rest of the fruit. It's boiling already. I'm going to add the rest of the fruit. It's going to stop boiling, and that's normal because you're adding the fruit at room temperature. Once you add it, leave it in here for another 5 minutes and you will notice that everything is going to change color, and you're going to notice that everything smells so good and so delicious. I really recommend this amazing Mexican ponche for the holidays or for this cold weather. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Once it's boiling for 4 more minutes, then you are ready to turn it off. Let it sit for just a couple minutes. I recommend at least 5 minutes before you start preparing your glass with all those amazing fruit and the juice. I am ready to enjoy. Look at this. Look how delicious and warm this looks. I can't wait to taste. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and delicious Mexican ponche. I hope, my friends, that you make it and you enjoy it with your beautiful family for these holidays. But this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So delicious. The combination of all those fruits, just perfection, made at home. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing Mexican ponche. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you soon. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.